Kelsey
and Kendra,
and today we did something that we've never done before here on our channel. We did a challenge and we did doing each other's makeup at the same time. And you guys have been requesting us to do each other's makeup on this channel for quite some time, but we didn't want it to be like
so formal.
Yeah, like a tutorial on Kendra or like a tutorial on Kelsey, because
neither one of us are makeup artists.
And I actually don't like doing other people's makeup. Yeah. I just don't like being in people's personal space like that. It's not my thing. So we wanted to make it a little bit more interesting and just do it at the same time.
Yeah, so if we look a little bit different and a little bit weird, it's because we do our own makeup.
And we had to do it while doing each other at the same time.
Yes, it got a little complicated.
So I did most of Kendra's face with my left hand, and I'm not left-handed, I'm right-handed, so.
And I thought this would work out because I'm left-handed and she's right-handed. So I thought it would be like a nice mirror situation, but not really.
No, y'all will see. It was low-key a hot mess.
Yes.
But we hope you guys enjoyed this hot mess of a situation. So yeah, just keep on watching.
I think I'm gonna start with foundation for you.
I'm trying to decide I want to go ahead and do eyes for you. No, I'll just do foundation first too, because I feel like it's been a while since I actually started out with shadow first. Oh, we have one of the same ones.
Oh, so we both have the NARS. What is this? Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation.
Yes.
So I'm gonna use this.
Oh, you're mixing two? I'm mixing two. I'm mixing the NARS one with the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, because she likes this one a lot.
Oh, okay. And then I'm gonna mix the NARS one with the Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation.
Oh, I like that one too. I actually mixed those before and I liked them.
Really?
Yeah. By the way, I'm not doing like a crazy, like extra glam on her. I'm just doing like everyday glam.
Okay. Yeah. This is so awkward.
I know. Okay. This is uncomfortable. I feel like. Okay.
And I feel like I can't reach like the nooks and crannies of your face.
That's why this is a challenge. Don't get it in my eye.
I'm not getting it in your eye.
Okay.
It's around the eye.
Okay.
Can you close the eye, please?
I can't see what I'm doing if I close the eye. Okay, but I feel like that's my stronger eye.
That's not looking down. You gotta squint it. I see the wrinkle in your eye. It's not okay. Stop laughing.
I'm trying to. Okay, you don't want your face to look crazy?
You don't either. You're gonna crease if you keep laughing.
Okay.
No.
Hey Kendra, I'm trying to do you and look at the same time.
You're not being very cooperative, Kelsey.
Neither are you.
Yes, I am.
This is a lot harder than I thought.
Now I have to adapt and use the brush with my right hand. Just
well, you're ambidextrous. I'm not.
Not with everything, though, Kelsey. Not with everything.
Okay,
I'm so sorry.
Like, beat me up while you're doing this.
I just wanted you to be nice and blended.
Okay, this is what you're doing.
Oh, my bad. Yeah, you're right. It's kind of aggressive.
Yes. So this is already harder than I thought, and I haven't even started your eyes yet.
And Kelsey's already being annoying.
Touche, sister, touche. You hold a horrible face.
Well, this is why we won't do each other's makeup. Well, for one, I don't do makeup in general, so that's not my forte. I just do my own, and that's as far as I go. So this is very foreign to me, like putting my hands on her face and like.
Yeah. Once upon a time, we wanted to have like our own like on-site hair and makeup company.
I don't know how that was gonna work out.
But
I don't like being in people's faces all day.
Too. Like after I did a couple of people's faces, I was like, I don't like this. I'd rather be behind them than in front of them.
This ain't for me.
So I just, you know, I prefer like doing hair. And the plus, this is harder because it's a challenge. We're doing it at the same time, so I'm sure it's also making it harder.
That's true.
Okay. This is low-key cheating because I'm supposed to be doing it at the same time as you. Okay. Concealer.
I'm trying so hard not to poke you in the eye.
I get like right up under my lash line, but like you said, I don't want to poke you. So, trying my best here. You can use that one. Just stretch over.
Okay, but like we're going to have a little collision moment if I try to do that.
I'll do this.
Okay.
Is that better?
Yeah.
See, I'm trying to help you out.
Do you really need it there?
Who's doing your face?
Fine, whatever.
You put it there?
Not all the time. I don't feel like I need it always around my mouth.
Oh, which is weird because like around my mouth is naturally darker, so I feel like I need to like
even everything out.
Yeah, you know. Can you stop doing this?
Oh,
how is this helpful? I can't even see what I'm doing.
I'm trying to like see, look at
just
your
look straight at me, please. I'm like, why is she looking up at the ceiling? Like, how is that helpful to me? Just poke me in the eye. Oh my gosh. All right.
Good?
Yeah, you poked me right in the eye.
Sorry.
It's fine.
Okay.
I'm
not apologizing no more. Or just said I'm sorry.
Okay, I said okay. It's fine. Oh, now I'm using my left hand. This feels very foreign.
See? It's not as easy as it looks.
But you've used your other hand for other things. I can't do nothing with my left hand.
Okay.
Well, not by itself.
It's so fun. We're on the same steps right now.
I mean, we kind of have to be.
No, we don't.
We low-key do. Well, I feel like towards the end it might be a little different.
Oh, I just got some in your hair.
It's fine. I really commend the makeup artist because, like, it's so fun doing my own makeup, but honestly,
this ain't it.
yeah, I don't know if I like this. This is confirmation that I still don't like it. And I haven't done anybody's makeup in years. And I feel like it's hard to do somebody's makeup that does their own.
Yes. Because I know, like, what works for me. And you know it works for you.
Yeah. I put a lot of powder.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You got powder in my eye.
I want you to crease.
See, you got 2 palettes up here. I only have 1, so I'm definitely doing something simple. I'm using the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions. This is my favorite one.
Okay, I'm going to use the Whatever Color Pop and then the Jackie Aina Anastasia palette.
Okay. By the way, we're also using each other's brushes, so I low-key don't know what you use half the stuff of. How are we supposed to do this? This seems very hard because I need my eyes to look at you.
I think this would be a good option right now.
This?
If we both do
Oh
this.
yeah, because we can look and still do. Okay.
Am I still poking you?
No, that's a lot better.
Keep in mind, this was all Kelsey's idea. And she the one who complaining the most.
Lies. That's you. That would be you, sister. How did I keep
You just
forgetting?
got eyeshadow on your face and you just moved.
Well, that's because I wasn't holding a good... That's the wrong brush.
No, it's not. This is two-sided.
You need a fluffy one because that's too hard to flick it away. There you go. That side.
Goodness. You so damn controlling.
No, you are. That's your middle name and you know it.
Whatever.
That'll do. I need to get the lower part.
The what?
Your lower lash line.
Okay.
This might be low-key cheating, but I can't look at you.
That's okay. I don't need a significant amount of space to do this. You can be looking at me while I'm doing it.
No, I can't. Because you right up on my eye line.
You mean lash line, yes?
Sorry, you're right up on my lash line.
Okay.
Did you just say I can look at you while you're doing this?
Yeah.
Look at me while I'm doing this.
Huh?
Look at me while... See? You told me something. Huh?
Not possible.
Thank you.
My bad. I thought I heard
Perfect example of somebody saying, oh, I can do that. Okay, let me see you
In
do it.
hindsight, it sounded, doable.
Okay.
Gosh.
Look
You
up.
can get mad at me for believing in myself.
I don't think I had this brush either.
I forgot I had this brush.
Seriously? You don't use it?
Uh-uh.
For nothing? It's perfect for lower lash line.
I used to use it a lot, but...
For this same purpose?
Yeah, what else is it for? Oh, I'm sweaty. My tits are so sweaty.
That's because all these lights, it's hot up in here.
What are you laughing at?
Me blending on my left hand. It's comical. Can you stop doing this?
I'm
'Cause I
sorry.
can't see what I'm blending.
Well, my face naturally keep going back because you like pushing my face in.
There we go. Perfect.
You would think this was easy for us since I'm left-handed and you right-handed. But we keep having to switch hands with what we're using.
Because I'm in your way and you in my way. That's what makes this a challenge.
Use that word again.
Well, that's what this is. Okay, I'm using Coco Naughty. Where's your mocha mommy? I couldn't find it in your makeup.
It's still packed for Mexico. I have not unpacked.
Actually, before bronzer, I need to do powder. Because I wasn't going to do powder on you. I kind of want to do a little bit of Duo Matte. Forever. So I'm going to mix 2 bronzers, Anastasia and Fenty.
This is Coco Naughty.
Oh, we
Or
could just
Fenty.
use the same one. I didn't even know you grabbed it.
Same.
Wait, I can't see what I'm doing. Okay, I'll just do this side. Can you please look that way briefly?
Hold on.
That's because you ain't listening.
I'm gonna put a crook in my day.
No, I'm not. You're not listening. Horrible listener. No, I'm sorry. Your brush. You got hair in your nose?
Yeah.
Mascara. This is Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. One of my favorites. You actually grabbed the same one. Can you look down but don't close?
Can you look down but don't close?
Actually, it's easier if you look at me. There we go. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is tricky. You just get some on my eyelid.
Yeah.
I felt it.
You blink too much.
Because my eyes get watery. I miss this mascara. I don't know why I haven't used it in forever.
Yeah, I can tell too.
What's that supposed to mean?
It's a little clumpy.
And yours is dry, but did I say that?
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. I want to do mascara.
Try to do your bottom lashes.
My bottom one.
Bottom mascara. You don't put bottom mascara?
I do, but I don't trust you to do it. No.
I was just gonna,
No, scared. Put it up.
I was just gonna do it a little bit.
Kendra, no.
Let me just try just a little bit.
No, I'm scared. Stop.
Kendra, wait, I got a knife in my hand. What's wrong with you?
I hate when other people put mascara on my body. I like to do it myself because I do a lot, but I like to do it myself. And plus, it's very fat for someone else to do it. Because I use this on the bottom, like on myself. Fine, okay, I'll let you. Just on the outside though.
I was trying to be gentle and everything, and you already complaining.
You not do that? Do what? This.
I'm sorry. It
It
was just a reflex. I
Okay.
didn't do it on purpose.
Gotcha.
And I need to stop saying I'm sorry. That's
Yes.
2020 this year. Stop saying sorry so much.
Yeah, stop apologizing for you don't even care about.
And it's a highly overused word.
Sorry, I'm
Sorry,
sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'm so
Are
sorry.
you?
Oh wait,
What?
I missed the step. Oh, great.
What? What you miss?
Inner tear duct color.
Do you have to do that?
Who is doing your makeup? Thank you. You should do it more often. Make sure
I
your
do
eyes
it
look really
sometimes.
pretty.
Yes, I do. You just don't pay attention to my face like that.
Yes, I do.
My arm isn't like sitting on something, so I don't have a lot of support.
Oh, like this?
Yeah, it's not like this.
I get what you're saying. This is a step that I notice a lot of makeup artists, they let the
That
person do it. Yeah. Now I see why.
Me too.
All right, moment of truth. Now I have to look at myself in the mirror. I didn't do that bad.
Me neither.
And I use my left hand a lot to do your face, and I don't do nothing with my left hand, just saying. Oh, okay. Yeah, I ain't mad at this. Good lip. Of course you did a gloss. Why am I not surprised?
What?
I still look like myself.
What you thought you was gonna look like?
You know how you can tell when somebody like don't know your face?
That's
As a makeup
true.
artist, I feel like you quickly have to learn that person's face.
You're right.
What?
It's not typically what I would do, like the golden and tear duct. It's not bad. I thought it would look worse.
I feel like we did the same eye, low-key.
Yeah,
Eyeshadow.
Yeah, you're right.
Cause this is like an easy go-to just to throw in like a matte color.
It's decent. I hope this was somewhat entertaining.
And we're not makeup artists.
Not at
So,
all. Not in the slightest. Like, I've mastered doing my own face.
You know your face.
Yes,
Mhm.
and that's about it. So.
Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video.
So yeah, we finally did what you guys have been requesting, and that's doing each other's makeup.
But just in a different way. We wanted to make it a little bit
I'm
more...
being sarcastic.
Because honestly, I would have did a way better job if I was just doing her face like...
Without me touching yours.
Yeah, without all the...
Get over there.
Excuse me for a minute.
Yes.
Yeah, that.
Too much.
Way too much. But yeah, we thought this would make it a little bit more interesting, and I feel like we did pretty decent jobs for us to have been uncomfortable in more ways than one.
Yes.
Literally. Yeah. So yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see y'all next time.